Hi everyone, this is Pam from Crafty Kiwi Mama. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I made a floating flower card with a lot of sparkles and blings. The stamp that I'm using today is Kind Soul from W+9. I'm using a pink card base and 2 pieces of white cardstock. I'm using a black pigment ink because I want to heat emboss the black outline. I stamped this flower stamp set on both white cardstocks. Then I'm using the sparkling clear embossing powder and heat set both cardstocks. Off screen, I have used the alcohol markers to color both cardstocks. The pink flowers on the left is the base, and they will be covered by the flowers on the right. That is why I only colored them briefly. Now, I'm using the white gel pen to decorate the blue flowers. I then fussy cut the pink flowers and the green leaves right along the outer outline edge of these images. To make the images to look completely finished, I use black marker to color the edges of all the images. This is an A2 size cardstock. I need to trim it down so that I can add 2 black sparkling strips to the top and the bottom of the card. It will look like this. I'm using the same embossing powder to heat set the black strips. This would allow me to have the cohesive look as the outline of the flowers. Before I assemble the panel to the card base, I stamp my sentiments on the front as well as the inside of the card. They are both from the same stamp set. Again, I will heat emboss the sentiments. Now is the time to assemble the card. I like to use this stamping tool to make sure my card is straight. The most exciting part is here. I adhere double-sided foam tape onto the flowers and leaves. Now the pink flowers and some of the leaves are floating. It is so satisfying to see this. Then I add some yellow jewels to the center of the pink flowers. Lastly, I add more pink jewels onto the card. Be honest with you, I'm not sure if this is the right decision. I still cannot decide if I like the pink jewels on the card or not. Please leave me a comment and tell me if you like the card with or without the pink jewels. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.